Number 2 is a problem about integers or rational numbers, and this is in lesson 1.1 of the Common Core Achieve. The temperature in a city was expected to decline overnight at a rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour. If this prediction was correct and the temperature was 8 degrees Celsius at 10 o'clock p.m., what was the temperature in degrees Celsius at 5 a.m. the next morning? To scaffold this problem, I'm going to draw myself a thermometer. And I used to tell my students, if you have a problem about temperature, draw yourself a thermometer. There's a keyword in this problem, and that keyword is decline. So that means that the temperature is going to do what? It's going to fall. It's going to drop. It's going to go down overnight. So we are starting up here at a current temperature, and overnight the temperature is expected to drop. So at 10 o'clock p.m., that's the current. Let me do it this way because I need to put my numbers in. So at 10 o'clock p.m., we know the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. And the Celsius has nothing to do with anything, so don't panic if you don't know about Celsius. That's unrelated. And we know that the temperature is going to fall. We know that it's going to fall from 10 o'clock p.m. until 5 o'clock a.m. So here's 10 o'clock p.m. Here is, do I have enough room? Let me try something. I do have the space here. Okay, so 10 o'clock, then at 11 o'clock p.m., at midnight, at 1 o'clock a.m., at 2 o'clock a.m., at 3 o'clock a.m., at 4 a.m., 5 a.m., and we could keep going, but we don't need to because we're only looking for the time frame between 10 and 5 a.m. the next morning. So if you let the temperature drop 2 degrees per hour, that would be 6 degrees Celsius, 4 degrees Celsius, 2 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Celsius, which, by the way, is the freezing point. That is 32 degrees on the Fahrenheit scale. That's just a little bit of science knowledge for you. And then -2, -4, -6 degrees. So at 5 o'clock a.m., the temperature is -6 degrees. So I like C for this one.